Greetings, punters. Ben here, and welcome to game 786, which is Danny's Thor, God of Thunder number 2 and Strange Academy number 1. Alrighty. We are live. And it is currently 9:42 a.m. and the world clock says 9:43 a.m. Alright, let's see how many spots. 148 spots. Got Nev at number 1. And Michael at 148. Right, Neville at number 1. Nothing looking strange. Looking good, looking good. Must be just Dak's computer that does the weird formatting. Alright, that was Michael in 148. Michael in 148. Very good. Alright, all there. 3 dice roll. Alright, 2 and 3 is 5 and 6 is 11. 6 and 3 is 9 and 2 is 11. 11 rolls, here we go. Watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, 9 rolls. We had 5, 6, we had 11. We got 2 more. Penultimate is 10. Alright, 10. Next one is for the win. Good luck, everybody. Alright, now we have 11 times. Let's see who our winner is. And the winner of the Thor and Strange Academy books is... and it is Stephen Reynolds. There we go. Stephen, get in contact with Danny to claim your prize. We are done. All right. Thanks for playing. Catch you next time.